Okay, so let's understand what is an APK file. So APK file is actually an archive file. Its primary use is to open up the application's binary files to the end user. So this APK file is not a connected file from the Android operating system. Like this APK is nothing but the applications that are installed on Android devices. Uh, and This is particularly installed on the device system partition. So this APK file, as this is an archive file, it contains a few files or folders. So let's understand what is this actually is. So this contains a manifest file, like you can say manifest.mf. This is actually, we can say this contains a list of names or hashes for all the files of the APK. So usually these files are in SAR256 base 64 encoded. This files is present with Android manifest.xml file. You would also see Android manifest.xml file. This is a manifest file that describes the application's package name. Also, this describes activities, resources, version, etc. So this file contains all sorts of application, like we can say, uh, describes descriptions of the applications, right? So it also contains the binary XML of the Android, which can later be converted to human readable. Next, all you can see assets folder. So this particularly contains the assets that developers bundle with the application and can be retrieved by the asset manager. So basically, what are these assets are? These assets include images, videos, documents, databases, etc. Now we can also see lib folder. So this contains native libraries with compiled code for different device architectures, mostly with either with x86 or x64, which probably means 32-bit or 64 bits. Now we will talk about res folder. So you can see res slash. So this res folder is this contains predefined application resources, which means like XML files that define a state list of colors, user interface layout, fonts, values, and so on. Now you can see resources.arsc. So this also contains pre-compiled resources, but this holds information that will link the code to the resources, right? Now you'd see classes.dex file. So this contains all the Java classes in DEX Dalvik executable file format that is to be executed by the Android runtime. So yeah, this is all about the contents of an API. So moving next, we'll see what are the tools used in Android penetration testing. So we will be talking about ADB files, ADB, which is Android debug bridge, APK tool, Dex to jar, D2J, JDGUI, JADAX, MobSF, objection browser. So these all tools is widely available and can be used to conduct the Android penetration testing. So first we will talk about the dynamic analysis. So for the dynamic analysis, we need certain tools like Android Debug Bridge or ADB, Burp Suite, and Genymotion.